Hi, welcome to the PHP training videos. These videos are helpful for who are started to learn the PHP. So in this video, first I am going to explain about the what is the PHP and what is the uses of PHP and what some history of PHP. So first, what is the meaning of PHP? PHP stand for PHP hypertext text preprocessor. PHP stand for PHP hypertext preprocessor. PHP is a one type of scripting language. So basically, scripting languages are two types: client-side scripting languages and server-side scripting languages. PHP is a server-side scripting language. The example of the client-side scripting language is the JavaScript. So JavaScript is executed on our client side. It means our browser side. Whenever you are browsing some website, at that time the JavaScript code is and HTML is executed, and the server side script is always executed on the server, or interpreted by the or compiled by the server, and it written back into the our web browser. So the example of server side scripting languages are ASP, JSP and PHP. So what is the meaning of PHP is PHP stands for hypertext preprocessor. PHP is a server side scripting language. What is the meaning of server side scripting is this code is executed on our web server, or this code is PHP code is compiled in our web server, and the result is sent back into the web browser like a HTML format. So whenever you are right clicking and view the source code, for example this is one website, so at the time you are using the view selection source, eBay source. This source code is completely HTML format. When the PHP code or any server side scripting code is not shown in our code, this is our PHP main website, php.net. Here we can find the documentation and PHP software, and also you can download the PHP software. For download purpose, you click on the download tab. So this is our PHP 5.5.14 version, and if you want to any help for the PHP, go for the search button. For example, I have doubt in the one statement or one keyword or one function. So simply type for that function and read that manual. So this PHP printf function is resides in PHP 4 and 5. Like this way we can take the help for the PHP. And some history of the PHP. Initially in 1994, PHP was developed by Resumes Ledroff. in 1994. Okay, first he named as a personal home page. Personal home page. After in the PHP 3 onwards, PHP 3 onwards, Jeev Sureski and Andy Getmans developed this PHP software. He now at the time they are named as a hypertext preprocessor. In the PHP 5 onwards, it supports the object model. It means it supports the OOPS concepts. This PHP 5 PHP now in at present days we are using, most of the time we are using the PHP 5 software. So what is the use of PHP 5 software is it supports the OOPS concepts. This PHP 5 code is similar to our C++ code, and before the PHP 5 it supports only procedure oriented programming concepts, and also in PHP 5 onwards it supports the OOPS concepts. So our PHP 4 code is very similar to our C language. In the next video I will explain the how to download the PHP software and also how to install the PHP software in your local system. Thanks for listening.